Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I actually want to share with you the present I got for my husband. But I think this would be such a great present for any man in your life, whether it's your dad, brother, or anybody who likes to fix things. They would really appreciate this hat. So I love that it says that's what I do, fix stuff, and I know things. And I also got this hat actually in a camo color, but I believe you can find a different one in a different colors. And you can also find it in a different kind of layout right here on the top. And yeah, overall, this has been such a great present. My husband absolutely loves it. It's very comfortable. I also love that it could be adjustable right here in the back. It also covers my husband's face right from the sun. And overall, it's very sentimental, has very great saying, and he has been super happy with this present. And one thing I also want to mention that this hat actually comes in this nice gift ready box, so you don't need to worry about packing anything, and it's all ready. Overall, we have been super happy and highly recommend to check this hat out. Thanks for watching.